Hey there guys, today's video will show you how to use Pinterest to increase your Etsy sales. Do you want to improve your Etsy sales using Pinterest? Stay tuned because this video is for you. The first thing you need to do is make pins of your products. This is going to be considered your Pinterest content. You have to create Pinterest content specifically for your niche. This type of content is created to grab your customers' attention whether it's in the homepage, profile, or in the search. The next thing you need to do is optimize your Pinterest business account. You need a business account so you can use features like idea pins and a lot more. Optimize your profile like a proper profile photo, a good looking cover, and other details that will show you that your Pinterest account is professional. Next, create Pinterest boards. These boards relate to the products you are selling on Etsy. The categories you create your boards in should correlate to the niche you have in Etsy. After you've done all of this, it's time to start being active and post your pins daily. Having daily content will help steer your Pinterest account the right direction and help your Etsy shop grow steadily. Hope the video helped. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next video.